As of yesterday, 1,962 people have been lost in Southwest Florida to this terrible disease. Over 33,000 in Florida.
Tricia Fay and I came to the conclusion that we had to do something on our campus to help our community, especially our students, grieve those who we have lost.
So for the past 3 months, more than 100 people got together to create these 10,000 porcelain votives. 2,000 of them were glazed blue and specifically dedicated to our friends and neighbors in Southwest Florida, and the remainder of the white ones are just a proportion of that loss.
Looking out across all of these sculptures that represent human beings, that is so incredibly impactful to have this visual representation of the people just in Florida who have been victims of this pandemic.
COVID has taught me to love more. We are not on an island by ourselves. We need each other.
I think we owe a great debt of gratitude to Maria Ralca and Tricia Fay and Campus Ministry and everyone who's done so much to put this amazing installation together, this amazing event together.
Thank you to each of our spiritual leaders for blessing this installation.